The Chrome Enterprise upgrade is now available on select HP commercial Chrome devices. This enables IT departments to manage user settings, applications including G Suite, and devices with an intuitive admin console interface. It also offers 24/7 support from Google, additional security features, and more enterprise upgrades for Chrome devices to thrive in business environments. You will need to enroll your device prior to personal account sign-in. If the device has already been signed in before enrollment, you will need to wipe the device image by power washing the Chrome device. When prompted to sign in, press Ctrl-Alt-E to access the Enterprise login page instead. Now it will require you to fill out your account information and enter your password. After filling out all of the needed information, it might take a few seconds for the system to check if the enrollment is available. If completed correctly, a successful enrollment message will appear on the screen. Click Done for the enrollment process, and the system will require you to sign in again for your enrolled account to start the Enterprise features. When you see the desktop appear, you can now start using your Enterprise device. If you're an IT admin, you can now log into the console admin page. Going to the device management panel, you will see your enrolled devices as managed devices. For more information, please visit hp.com.